You're in a Google Meet call, but something's off with the audio settings. Maybe you can't hear the other participants, or they can't hear you. I'm Chanel Greco from Saperis, and in this video, I'll show you how you can check and change the audio settings during a Google Meet video call. And by the way, hit the subscribe button below, because twice a week I publish new video tutorials about Google Meet, Gmail, Google Drive, and other apps from G Suite. We're now in a Google Meet call, and the first thing that you would want to check if, let's say, others let you know or tell you that they can hear you, is your microphone turned on? That you do by checking this here. So if you see the icon with the microphone like so, then the others can't hear you. If you turn it back on, then your microphone is on and they should be able to hear you. But maybe they still can't hear you. Let's go and check the settings. So click on the More Options icon and click on Settings. And here you see Audio. If you click on this arrow here, you have a drop down of all the possible microphones that can be chosen for this video conferencing call. Now in my case, I have a USB external microphone hooked up, this Thromax M drill, so that's what I'm using. But I could also switch to my MacBook's Pro microphone or my webcam's microphone. So depending on what for devices you have connected to your notebook or your tablet that have a microphone built in it, you can choose which microphone you want to have activated for this call. So let's go back to the default, and let's suppose that you're in a video call, the others can hear you, but you can't actually hear them. Well, then you would want to check your speakers. And this has happened to me a couple of times that I had the wrong speaker on. So in my case now, I'm listening over my display, over my monitor. So they have, or my monitor has built-in speakers. So that's how I usually listen. I could also listen over the microphones from my notebook. That would also be a possibility, or from my microphone. So you would want to check which of these devices is the speaker that is actively being used for this call. And especially when you're working with external devices like external speakers, or maybe you're listening or you're using the speakers of your webcam and it's not working, you're not hearing anything, unplug and replug it. That does wonders, believe me. Okay, so I'll go back to my display port. If you have any questions about speakers, about the audio not functioning well, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. I'll help you out with that. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because twice a week I publish new videos about Google Meet and so on. And I'd love to help you out with it. Have a nice day.